How to fix Discord won't open in Windows 11. The first method is in Task Discord. To do this, right click on Taskbar, select Task Manager, look for Discord in the Processes column, right click on the process and select End Task. The next method is clear Discord cache. For this, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar, go to this PC, open the drive where Windows is installed, open the users folder, then open your username folder, go to the app data folder, then open the roaming folder. You will find Discord in this directory. Open the folder. Over here, delete the folder named cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Close the folder and then try to open Discord. If the problem still occurs, reset file permission and give appropriate permission to discord.exe. To do this, click on search, type cmd for command prompt, click on run as administrator. If user account control appears, click on yes. Then you will have to run some commands. So go to the video description. You will find these commands in the description. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Then copy the second line, paste, hit enter. Then copy the last line, paste, enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. If the issue still persists, you can uninstall and reinstall Discord. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps, type Discord in the search box. Over here, click on three dots, select Uninstall, click on Uninstall. Close the Settings app and then go to a browser, type Discord, press enter, click on this link, click on Download for Windows. Once done, click on the setup file. The Discord should open now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.